In this video, I am going to teach you how to make transparent background on Adobe Express. So the process is pretty straightforward, and the first thing that you need to do is to open Adobe Express on your device. And you can use the link that I have in my description down below. And then once you are here, what you need to do is to locate this remove background tool from your homepage. So you can just simply click onto it if you have that option. But if you can't locate that tool, what you need to do is to go to the view all or click on this view all option, and this page will appear. Go to the photo section. I'm so sorry, that is wrong. What you need to do instead is go to the photo section, and you should have the remove background tool as the first option in there. So again, just click on to that. And then once you see this page, what you need to do is to simply upload your file. So you can drag and drop an image on this section, or you can open your local files and then upload it here. So I'm just going to do that. Select this image right now. And then once your image is completely uploaded, then that background of it will be automatically removed. And if you want to make the background transparent, which what we want for this tutorial, what you need to do is to select this transparent options under the category under or from the options of the background that you have there. So there you go, transparent. And then that is all that you need to do. And if you're ready to download it, just hit this download button, and then your project will be ready to go. And so that's it for this video. Again, you can use the link that I have in the description down below for you to be able to access Adobe Express. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.